This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Julie Palladino. Oceanfront beach pad alert. This adorable unit offers 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, laundry and is move-in ready. Enjoy waking up to the most spectacular sunrises right from your master suite balcony. No need for a TV, the ocean view is breathtaking. Updated and modern with granite counters, breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances and a gorgeous backsplash. Private beach access and a pool for soaking up the sun. Walking distance to Ron Jon, Beach Pier, shopping, restaurants and more for your pleasure and convenience. Do not miss out and a must-see today. For more information, review the details below.